We're about to ride the Windstorm. What's your name, sir?
Bill.
Bill.
My name is Bill.
Where are you from, Bill?
I'm from Europe.
Europe, alright. I'm from California.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Which country, sir?
Romania.
Alright.
That is awesome.
Yes, amazing.
First time I
Oh, yay! Wow! Wow! Woohoo! Jeez! Awesome! Yes! All right, yeah. All right.
Ooh, that was good.
Wow.
I never experienced that before.
Jeez.
Whew.
I was looking out and I thought, no, this can't be that dangerous, but it looks pretty fun. All right, I'm gonna go now. Say bye, Bill.
Goodbye.
All right.